back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review a new, or you can say very interesting, very different kind of subscription box. And this one is, the name is PoSHn. Why it's different, why it's one of my favorite, I will be telling you that and you will get to know, but for that you have to wait. First of all, let me tell you the name. The name is PoSHn. Now the price is 340 rupees for this one, and this, if you can read here, it says the functional super juice. So in this you will receive some actually super juices, which I will be telling you. Wait. But from where you can get the box, let me first tell you that you can order this box through Scriber. And why Scriber? Because on Scriber you will get everything, like all the boxes, very different kind of boxes, and that's why this is there. So very different kind of boxes. You can say almost every box is there on Scriber. Now, the second thing is that you will save a lot of money. You will save 10% by using my code, which I will be mentioning here in the description box. Third, they have option for COD, which is again a really good thing. Now let's come back to this box. This is, as I've said, functional super juices. PoSHn is the name, and in this you will receive healthier super juices. You can actually switch from aerated drink to this one. Why? Because aerated drink have lots of sugar, which is obviously very harmful for you. And yes, I'm a bit diet conscious, or you can say health conscious right now, because I have put on some weight, I guess, because I had my exams, I was studying, I was just sitting and eating and studying. That's it. So yes, I have put on some weight. So yes, I really want to cut down some calories, and that's why I have switched to this one. It has 4 juices like this. Let me just show you. So it has 4 juices like this, and it does not have sugar, which is the main reason for all your health problem, all your fat, all your calories. So that's the best part. So in these drinks, they have used stevia instead of sugar. So of course, stevia is a much healthier option than sugar. And that's the reason these drinks are safe for sugar patients as well. And that's the reason that I have shifted from aerated drink to these drinks. Now, let me quickly show you the card. So this is the card. It says PoSHn, and then once you open it, here are something. Let me just read that out for you. It says they are vegan. No added sugar is there, which I have already told you. Gluten-free, all natural, non-GMO. Then it says, thank you for choosing PoSHn. And then it says, we have handpicked these blend of fruits and herbs to make sure you have a fruitful day. Trusted by athletes and doctors, fruit plus herbs is #nature's own formula. So now let's move on to the drinks. So they have 2 different variants. One is relax, the second one is the recharge. So in this, if you want recharge one, you will get all 4 recharge bottles. But if you want relax one, you will get all relax bottle. And if you want to mix and match, then you will get 2 relax and 2 recharge. So I have 2 relax and 2 recharge. These are the relax one. So once you drink these drinks, of course, you will relax. And the price for these are 85 rupees. Yeah, 85 rupees is the price, and 200 ml is the quantity. These are the 2 bottles. The relax one, and then the recharge one here, the yellow one. So these are the recharge one. The price is 85, and 200 ml is the quantity. And it has, let me just read out that. It has apple, orange, pink guava, apricot, mango, banana, passion fruit, lime, lemon, green tea, and stevia. So yeah, that's all what I have received in my PoSHn. I really love it. Very interesting, and of course, very healthy box, I would say. Generally, I unbox the beauty product and everything, which makes my skin beautiful. But these are something which will actually make me healthier from inside. So yes, I like it. Very interesting box. I'm totally convinced with it. And if you like it, you can just go ahead and see the description box, because there you will find everything. The buying link and the coupon code which you have to use for 10% discount. So everything you will find there in the description box. For ending the video, let me give you a quick reminder of my giveaway, guys. There is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning the giveaway link in the description box. So go ahead and participate. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.